reception, we picked up clients and started the on-site inspection to show our factory strength. We arrived at the factory. The on-site tours officially started. Real production process brings reliable quality. We had in-depth communication, unfinished packaging products, discussing craftsmanship, quality and cooperation details. We observed the whole packaging and transportation process. Standardized operation reflects our reliable delivery capability. We toured the corrugated board production area. Thoughtful ice cream treats brought nice cooling comfort in hot weather. We accompanied clients throughout the tour, answering questions on technology, quality and customization to gain full recognition. Today's factory visit concludes perfectly. Sent clients back to the hotel. Clients are highly satisfied, and we've reached a cooperation consensus.